Right there, maybe. That's a nice spot. Here we are at the creek, doing some panning. Just practicing right now. But we're doing some panning. Tip forward a bit. Okay, try to pan some off. You want to pan some off the front.
There's a lot of sand in this one.
And probably pan some of that top off. Go ahead. Okay. Fish those couple of big rocks out with your finger.
There is 5 in there.
Let me see. Yeah. Got them all. There they are. She's
I thought one came out.
turned into a pro panner and didn't even know it.
I think you need to show me this.
I stopped it. I stopped it.
That's so good.
Okay. You got the Stratify thing down. You got that part down good.
Yeah.
When you go to pan, well, you're pretty good on the Stratify. You're a little...
Definitely flowers you can't easily pick.
No. No. I have been out there. I have wandered across that dam right there and been out there because I was trying to fish out there.
Yeah.